that one on your first lure. Hell yeah.
Let's go. Custom color. Getting it done. The third hit I've had on this lure. Let's go. And then what? So I'm fishing this custom bait that I painted. It's a lot like an MR17. I'm just giving it all day to drop. Then I'll give it, you know, the normal twitch. Most of the time it's getting hit on the drop. Hopefully we can get a good hookup here on video. Right out front. Different color. Oh, I lost it. No! Damn. Another custom color. Damn, that was a better one, dude. On the drop, dude. This is a good one.
You need that?
Yeah, can you get the net when you get a minute?
Thank you.
Custom colors are showing Mirror Lure what's up.
Yeah, because I'm like using mirror lure in yours, I'm not catching nothing.
Let's go, dude. Yeah, you're good. You can set it. It's not that big, but it's fat. Let's go, baby. Custom color. If you want, dude, you can use the one. I have one.
Just a minute ago, so I was trying this electric chicken stuff all the time.
Yeah, I do. I have that one that's very similar to this one too. Yep. I don't think there's any questioning whether these baits work.
Yeah, now it's a mirror lure.
Oh, it's a bigger one. Let's go. So we got Jared up front using a mirror lure, and he's not getting really any hits, and fishing it the pretty much exact same way. Custom baits, custom colors, man. They're getting it done. Jared's on. Need the net? Oh, it's a little one. Good shit, dude. All right, guys, so we're out here fishing in New Bern. We're fishing about 6 foot of water. Currently I'm using one of my custom painted baits here, and Jared's using is that an MR17 mirror lure. We're casting out in super slow twitching. Most of my hits have been on the drop. So just casting out super slow, and then the normal twitch. Let's go, baby. This is a pretty decent one. Yeah, that's definitely a decent one. Go.
Sand seal?
Hmm?
Oh, sand seal?
I'm on.
I am too.
Double up. Damn, that was right by the boat. Yeah, boy, we got a double up here. Snapped me. I should have freaking netted it. He snapped me off with my bait.
God damn it.
Motherfucker. You serious, dude? Snapped me off with that bait. What an idiot. Instead of netting it, I was gonna flip it out.
Big one.
You're using pink?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is gonna work. That's frustrating. That's why I should always net them. That sucks, dude.
Huh?
Yeah, they're on again over there. Well, I haven't used this color yet.
No. Like, why would they even make a net if those were? What's the point of that shit? Oh, let's catch a fish where your fucking lure's gonna get stuck in it.
Yep, right there.
Damn, I wanna keep catching fish, what fucking doing?
Right by the boat. I haven't used that lure yet. Let's go. Well, another bait that works. Let's go, baby.